Hello everybody, this is just a quick update from my video from last week relating the dollar yield index compared to Bitcoin price, and just an update on the levels that I marked out. Again, just as a refresher, I marked out a possible resistance of the dollar at 100.2 roughly, and then another possible resistance of the dollar at 102 to about 103-ish. Just the high from up here, and then also the highs from up here, which I just marked out. And if we just go to our oscillator, I use Market Cipher B. I'll leave a link in the description to the link to it. And you can see here that the momentum is just kind of topping out. The money flow is coming up a little bit. If we go to the 2-day, you can see the money flow is coming down compared to the swing high from up here. So if we just draw a divergence from the swing high up here to the swing high up here, let me redo that. And then we point out on our oscillator the high anchor wave momentum to the high up here. You can see the money flow has been coming down a little bit along with the momentum waves coming down, and we are bouncing and rejecting off of this 100.2 level on the daily time frame as pointed out. And so what this means for Bitcoin is that usually they are oppositely correlated, and so this could add more pressure upwards to Bitcoin as the dollar starts to tank. Again, this was a strong rally for the dollar over the time ever since May of 2021. This was when Bitcoin was kind of topping out during this time. It was the summer of 2021. Ever since then, the dollar has been rallying pretty strong. It's been going pretty strong ever since these money flow crossover on the daily time frame, and this has been going for quite a while. And so this could be a possible top to money flow. As you can see, when the money flow did top out here, we did get a pretty decent pullback. Just measuring with the measurement tool, a 2.26 pullback, which is pretty decent for the dollar. And if we go to our higher time frames on the weekly, you can see that the money flow is still kind of coming up, but however, if we go to our lower time frames like the 3-day, you can see that we are starting to get a red dot printing as the VWAP is just kind of coming down. The weekly, the VWAP is kind of deciding to go sideways a little bit. However, the monthly time frame, you can see over time that the money flow has been coming down. It's been going to the negative, and now it might possibly come down if this VWAP decides to kind of plummet and make a red dot on the monthly. This could lead to a pretty good pullback. As you can see, the last time we did have a red dot with the monthly above the 0 line, which was right here. We did get a decent pullback, and that was a 8%, 9% pullback. And so this could lead to, again, the dollar just kind of coming down. And I'll point out a possible support. So we have this support. As you can see, this did produce a kind of a double bottom where we did bounce off of it twice on the monthly. And so this could be a possibility that we come down. Again, take out these lows again at around the $90 region, and then just kind of come up and kind of consolidate and go sideways for a while. But that is just a quick update on the dollar. And again, this could add upward pressure and momentum to Bitcoin. And again, if you guys learned something new from this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And thanks. Bye.